Pizza combo, understanding the deal. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a deliciously interesting phrase, pizza combo. This is a term often heard in restaurants and food adverts. We'll explore what it means and why it's such a popular option for pizza lovers. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind pizza combos. A pizza combo typically refers to a deal or package offered by restaurants, especially pizzerias. It's not just about the pizza itself, but a combination of items. Usually, a pizza combo includes a pizza, along with side dishes like garlic bread, wings, or a salad, and sometimes a beverage like soda. The idea is to provide a complete meal, enhancing the dining experience. Value and variety are the key reasons. Pizza combos often come at a discounted price, compared to buying items separately. They are perfect for groups or families, offering a variety of flavors and choices to satisfy different tastes. Plus, they make meal planning easy, a one-stop solution for a full meal. Pizza combos have become more than just a meal deal. They're part of the food culture in many places. They represent convenience, variety, and a sense of sharing, essential aspects of modern dining. Over time, they've become synonymous with casual gatherings, parties, and even corporate events. We hope this gives you a clearer picture of what a pizza combo is and why it's a popular choice. It's about getting a delicious deal that brings more than just pizza to your table. So next time you're considering what to order, remember the benefits of a pizza combo. Enjoy your meal, and see you in the next video.